Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Amazon seller performance notifications, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable Amazon seller performance notifications, start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Performance tab located in the top menu. In the drop-down menu under Performance, select Account Health. On the Account Health page, scroll down to the section titled Performance Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of all active performance notifications. Review the notifications to determine which ones you'd like to disable. Click on the specific notification you wish to address. A new window will open, providing details about the notification. Look for the option to manage notification settings. Select this option to access your notification preferences. You will see settings to customize your notification preferences. To disable a notification, look for an option that says Turn Off or Disable. Click this option to deactivate the selected notification. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the changes take effect. Repeat this process for any additional notifications you wish to disable. Once you've made your adjustments, return to the Account Health page. Verify that the notifications you disabled are no longer listed as active. Log out of your account when you are finished to secure your information. You have now successfully disabled Amazon seller performance notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.